This is my 2008 Mitsubishi Lancer ES Factory 5-speed manual. Now, yes, it does look a bit effed up. I gotta admit it. I mean, it's pretty obvious. Look at that front there. As you can see, it looks like it got in a fight with a tornado 5 times at the very minimum and lost all 5 times. This car has been through wars. It looks like multiple wars. As a matter of fact, it might have been around in the floods from the back in the Bible days. Who knows? It's just had a very bad hair day and no one bothered to take it to the hairdresser to get it fixed. Right now, it does have this paint flaking issue that was common on the 2007, 2008, 2009s in particular, on certain colors. They had this paint issue. And so the paint is jacked, okay? I mean, it is jacked. You can see it is, yeah, it's paint gone bad. Beauty, Evil Killer build, the Evil 10 build. Check it out. So much fun. I actually just love Lancers. There's something really cool about the platform. So much aftermarket opportunities, if you will, to really just take it any direction you want and give it that own personal touch of your own you're doing, you know, your own making. It's super awesome. I love it. So I'm looking forward to this. Oh yes, it's true. It's damn true. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe, all notifications on, because we're going to be doing this build. We're turning this base model freaking 2008 Lancer Mitsubishi into an Evil 10 Lancer, and with all the trimmings, all the juicy bits, the A to the Z's, it's going down. And the cool thing about this, as you can see, this thing is rough, it's damaged, it's got freaking exterior damage, interior is disgusting, freaking it's got actual literal panel damage, you know, like this thing is as freaking crashed and crappy as you could get. I mean, it could get worse, but I don't really want to start any worse than this. But my point is, we're starting from zero, from scratch, and you get to see it become from the ugly duckling to the Cinderella. So subscribe and join in the fun, because it's going down. Oh yes, it's true. It's damn true.